In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your work experience on Glassdoor, Experience Section 2026. By the end, you'll have your most recent role clearly displayed so recruiters and employers can instantly understand your background, and Glassdoor can tailor job recommendations to you. First, open your browser and go to glassdoor.com. Make sure you're on the official site so your information stays secure. Next, log into your Glassdoor account. If you're just searching for jobs, you can head directly to the Jobs tab and browse. But to set up your experience, you'll want to be signed in. Use your preferred sign-in method, and for safety, avoid staying logged in on shared devices. Enabling two-step verification is a smart extra layer of security if it's available to you. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu and takes you to your personal profile. On mobile, you may need to tap the menu icon first to find your profile. Inside your profile, find the pencil icon. That pencil is the edit control. Click it to switch into editing mode so you can make changes to your details. On the profile page, locate the field labeled Most Recent Job Title, and you'll notice a small asterisk next to it. The asterisk means it's required. This should reflect the role you currently hold, or the last role you had if you're between jobs. Keep the title clear and recognizable across the industry. If your company uses unique internal names, choose a standard equivalent that recruiters will understand. For example, opt for software engineer over playful variations like Code Ninja. Now enter your most recent job title. As you type, Glassdoor may suggest titles. Selecting the closest match can improve how your profile appears in searches. Use normal capitalization, avoid excessive abbreviations, and make sure the title matches your resume for consistency. If you're unsure which title to use, look at a few job descriptions in your field and align with the most common phrasing. If you've just completed a short contract, using that as your most recent title is fine. When you're done, make sure to click Save. This commits your changes. Look for a brief confirmation on the page to ensure your update went through. If you navigate away without saving, your edits won't stick, so it's worth double checking. That's it. Your experience is now set up. Keeping this field accurate helps Glassdoor surface better jobs and presents a polished profile to employers. Update it whenever your role changes, and you'll stay discoverable and relevant in searches. Thanks for following along, and good luck with your job search.